Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss rank of a matrix. Find the rank of A, B and AM for A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. So far, there's a property which we have learned. Rank of product of two matrix is less than equal to minimum of rank of A, rank of B. So that means out of A and B, if A is having rank 1 and B is having rank 2, the product AB cannot have rank more than 1. It can be 1 or less than that, right? Minimum of rank of A and rank of B. So let's see for A first. Can you clearly observe that row 1 is like half of row 2, or otherwise row 2 is 2 times of row 1? Row 2 is 2 times of row 1, correct? Row 2 is 2 times of row 1. That clearly means that the matrix A is singular. Matrix A is singular. And with, so we cannot have rank of A equal to 2. And with, for checking for the order of 1, any one single non-zero element makes the matrix to be rank 1. So you can say that rank of A will become 1, right? We have seen in the theory part that for a matrix to have rank 0, it has to be a null vector, because rank 1 is possible even if one of the element of the matrix is non-zero. One of the element of matrix is non-zero, then the matrix is at least having rank equal to 1, or maybe more than that depending on the situation. So rank of A is equal to 1. Now we have to find the rank of B, AB. I don't know whether the rank of B is 2 or not, but definitely it is not 0. It is not less than 1, right? Because in order to have rank less than 1, it has to be null vector. It is not a null vector. So rank of B can be, I'll say, I'm not finding it. B can have rank either equal to 2 or equal to 1. I won't find it, but definitely not 0. Definitely not 0, because it has to be null vector for that. Now, AB, the product of A and B, can have maximum possible rank to be minimum of A and B. So if I'll say, if this is having rank 1 and this can have 1 or 2, 1 or 2, it cannot have 0. So what is the minimum possible value of 1 and 1 or 2? It is 1. So that means that rank of AB can be maximum equal to 1, because that is the minimum possible value among these two, right? Now by observation again, all the elements here for A are positive and all the elements present in B are also positive. So while we'll multiply A with B, we'll get all the elements to be positive. There cannot be any cancellation like plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. There cannot be anything like that. It has to have the non-zero values for the elements A, B. So definitely rank of AB becomes 1. Why? Because it will have either 1 or less than 1. So other possibility is 1 or 0. 0 will become when AB becomes null vector, and null vector will be there only if the product AB gives all the elements to be 0, but being all the elements to being positive, it is not possible, right? So rank of AB will be 1 without calculating this. I'm not finding it, but we can observe it and we can conclude this, right? Now let's talk about AM. This is AM. Now, what are the rank? What is the rank of A? Rank A is 1. What are the possibility of rank M? It can be 1 or 2, right? Because this unknowns B and C are not known, but it cannot be rank cannot be more than 2 because it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and it cannot be 0 because there is at least one non-zero element. One non-zero element makes it rank 1. So rank is going to be 1 or 2. Now this means the rank of AM will have to be less than equal to minimum of rank of A or rank of M. Correct? So the highest minimum possible of A and M are 1, because it can be 1 or 2, it can be 1. So this has to be less than equal to 1. So rank of AM can be less than equal to 1. So that means it can be rank of AM can be 0 and can be 1. We cannot say if it is going to be 0 or 1 as of now. Why? Because this C might be negative, this B might be negative or 0, which makes the ultimate multiplication of AM to be a null vector. It can happen. Why? In the previous case I said it is not possible to have a null vector by the multiplication of A and B. Why? Because all the elements are known and all the elements are positive. So multiplication, sum of the positive product will always give you positive, it cannot give you 0. But in this case of M, there are possibility that B is 0 or maybe a negative value, which makes the product AM to be a null vector. When it can happen? Let's see the product AM. AM from this multiplication of 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2 will become, the elements will be 1 plus 2C. This will be B plus 2BC. This will be 2 plus 4C, and this is 2B plus 4BC. These are the elements of AM. Now, when is it possible to have this vector to be, let's say, this matrix to be null? Let's see when is it possible. If you see, if this 1 plus 2C becomes 0, definitely 2 plus 4C will also become 0. Why? Because 2 plus 4C is just 2 times of 1 plus 2C. If you observe, this is actually 1 plus 2C. This is 2 times of 1 plus 2C. This is B times of 1 plus 2C, and this is 2B times of 1 plus 2C. Clear? Taking 2b common, we will see this. So this AM can be a null vector if 1 plus 2c equal to 0. If 1 plus 2c is equal to 0, every element, all these 4 elements will become 0. So this is possible if c is equal to minus half. If c is equal to minus half, rank of m will become 0, and in this case the rank of AM will become 0. Why so? Because in that case rank of A will be 1 and rank of in that case this entire AM will be a null matrix. So in that case it will become 0, and otherwise 1 plus 2c is not equal to 0, that is c is not equal to minus half. In that case we'll see that at least one of the element, let's say this one, of course this will also be non-zero. When will these elements become non-zero now? 0 now. 1 plus 2 is not equal to 0, so this becomes non-zero, this becomes non-zero. These two can become 0 if b is equal to 0. But does that matter? No. Why? Because definitely rank of AM is not going to be 2. It is never going to be 2. Why? Because A is not having a rank more than 1. So if A is having rank 1, AM cannot have rank more than 1. So rank of AM is never going to be 2. So it can be 0 or 1. So if 1 plus 2c becomes 0, all the elements become 0, and then the AM becomes a null vector and the rank becomes 0. And if 1 plus 2c is not equal to 0, at least one of the element, like this element and this element, are going to be non-zero, and if at least one element is non-zero, the rank is going to be 1. This is actually AM. Even if B becomes 0, you'll have these two terms, like if B equal to 0, then you'll have something like this. Let's say 1 plus 2c is alpha. So this is alpha, this is 2 alpha, this is 0, this is 0. Then also you have one non-zero element and the rank becomes 1. So no matter these two elements are 0, the rank is going to be 1. So AM can have two ranks depending on the value of C. If C is minus half, the rank is 0. If C is not equal to minus half, then the rank is going to be 1.